friends, I'm Super Chef Parikshet from Kids Fun Run Club, and we're going to make an ice cream biscuit. So what do we need for that? We need 2 biscuits, Mario biscuits, because we don't need a very sweet biscuit because we are adding sweets like Nutella and ice cream and Choco chips and So do not use glucose biscuit. So because Mario biscuit is a little less sweeter, we need some dry fruits, Nutella, vanilla ice cream, and chocolate chips, sprinkles. So now let's start making ice cream biscuits. So I'm going to spread the Nutella on both the biscuits. It feels so sticky. Yeah. Now on the next biscuit. I can't wait to eat it, friends. Now we will add some ice cream. Yeah, some ice cream now. This will make the biscuit sweet. So I spread the ice cream on both the biscuits. Now I'm going to decorate it. So we need some chocolate chips. Now we need more. Now we need some more chips. Now I'm putting the sprinkles now. So now we are going to do the healthy part of this. The healthy version. These are some dry fruits. And a Nutella. So in this ice cream biscuit we have sprinkles, and in this dry fruits. Which one should I eat first? The sprinkly one. It tastes good. And I'm gonna eat this. This is also nice. Bye friends. I hope you try this out. Bye.